I am going to do another video today for you guys because I'm about to go do some spray tans, and I thought I would show you my spray tan machine. So I get a lot of questions all the time about what I use and what products I use for my spray tan machine. Everybody is different, so I figured out what spray tan machine I was going to use by, well, actually there was a girl in my salon I worked for in South Carolina, and she just looked like that perfect tan, and I asked her what she used and she said she had a Maxi-Mist. So I looked into it and I bought me one. So I'm going to show you guys my Maxi-Mist machine and the everything I use with it, and that way if you're looking into stop self-tanning or stop laying in a tanning bed and you want to do spray tanning, either like business wise or just to have someone spray tan you, this is a great way to save money. My husband, he spray tans me, and if you don't have a spouse or a boyfriend or girlfriend, like, get a friend and y'all practice on each other, and I mean, y'all will end up like being addicted to spray tanning, I promise. So anyways, the first thing I got, which is pretty, I've already taken most of this stuff out because I tried videotaping this earlier and my camera stopped on me, but I got this big old bag for Christmas because my husband got tired of seeing me lug everything around. So I got that bag. It has it has rollers on it, which is what I really wanted because I have a huge spray tan machine. Maxi-Mist does sell smaller compressors, so you can get a small compressor for like I think their small compressors were on sale for like $139 last time I checked. So you could get your whole kit for $139, which is amazing. But I got a big kit because I'm doing more people. So this is the machine that I got. It's like a heavy duty compressor. I really love it. I have had no issues with it, knock on wood. But like I said, you can get a smaller one if you're just going to be doing yourself and save some money too. The smaller ones you can still do like 2 or 3 people a day with them, but with this I could do like a whole wedding party and it would be fine. With your kit you'll also get this. I'm about to drop this on the floor. You also get this big tube thing with your kit. I think with the smaller kit you don't have to get that big of one. I think it comes with a smaller one. And then obviously you come with 1 gun and 4 of these bottles. I think you get 4 with the smaller compressor too. And it only takes 2 ounces to do a full body, you guys. So I normally put between 3 and 4, and whatever I don't use, I put it back into my other bottle because you're not contaminating anything. It's not touching anything. So whatever you don't use, don't ever just put 2 ounces in there though. Are they really gonna mow right next to the window? Sorry about that, you guys. Y'all are just gonna have to deal with it. I'm sorry, because I got to go. Okay, and then I have mine set up to spray horizontally, and I always set it on 4. That's the best way for me to do it, and I need to do a video. If y'all want me to do a video on like my tips on spray tanning, please let me know. I might even have someone come in and let me spray tan them and videotape it so y'all can see my tips and everything else. But yes, it comes with a gun, comes with 4 bottles, which is awesome because if you're doing a whole party, you might need them. Then with your kit, you will get a gun cleaner, and then you will get like 8 or 9 bottles of spray tan liquids. They're all from different companies. Like this is Tan-Fastic, this is Tan Extraordinaire, and honestly, Tan Envy. I can't tell y'all if I love these because I never even tried them. I've known there have been 3 girls since I started spray tanning that loved it so much they went and bought their own compressor themselves, which is totally awesome. I was okay with that because I mean I love mine so much I would have done the same thing. But one had told me that she liked Tan-Fastic, and then some had told me that there were some in there that they did not really like so much. So there's that. Now, I personally use Norvell. I get them off Amazon. I have not went through the company themselves, which I need to, but I mean, they sell stuff through Amazon, but I get the Norvell Pro Dark Premium Solution. This is all animal cruelty free and very, very like vegan, whatever it is. I don't know, guys. Anyways, it's like super, yeah, 100% vegan, nut, allergen free, gluten free, paraben free. Okay, what I love about this, you guys, is, why are we calling me? Hold up, wait a minute. Okay, one thing I really love about this, you guys, is it's got, this is not my open one, poop. It's got a red under base to it. There's a lot of self tanners out there, or spray tan liquids out there that they have like an orange undertone to them, or they look too brown. This has a raspberry scent to it, and I don't know if y'all can tell, it's completely red based. So you're gonna have a more warm, natural look. If you are getting spray tans and you're looking into buying the liquid, get a red undertone or a green, because green will make you look more olive. This is gonna make you look more warm. This bottle is 33 fluid ounces, so if it only takes 2 ounces for your whole body, yeah, like do the math, you guys. This is like the best, and I think I get this for $35 off Amazon. Now, when you do spray tans though, you do want to have, I know this looks so bad, but it's like, I need to get a cap for the sucker. You want to do a barrier cream, and I use Norvell's as well. I get that off Amazon, and because you don't want that spray tan to cling to any dry places. So definitely, whether it's Norvell or anywhere else, get a barrier cream. And I think in your kit, you get a barrier cream also. And then last but not least, you want to get a tint. You can get a tint, I think, off Maximist.com. I think they're around $50, but I purchased mine through eBay for $29. They have brown, pink, and black. I did not want to get pink because I did not want to see the spray tan on my tint, and with brown, it really, you can't even tell. I wipe it down anyways, but if I do ever have any stain issues, I'll never be able to tell them. So anyways, you guys, I just want to wrap this up real quick because I do have to go spray tan some people. But if you are wanting, if you're looking into spray tanning, I suggest Maxi-Mist. I know that like everybody, I think $1 Million Tan has one. Some bigger companies have their own spray tan machines, but I promise you, like, so far, I love Maxi-Mist. I do recommend it to all my clients that if they do end up wanting to purchase one, definitely go with Maxi-Mist because they are the bomb. And you just get a perfect tan. I can't really say anything about their solutions, but I do know that Norvell has been really great for me. And if y'all want me to do a video for you guys on more tips on spray tanning, please let me know because I will definitely do that for y'all. Please subscribe and like my video.